Hello guys, today we've got this HP laptop. Model is HP 650, and the problem with this one is that we need to replace keyboard. It's a very easy process and you will see it right now. You will need a Phillips screwdriver and a tool like that, something like that. Okay. Here is the new keyboard. As always, first remove your battery, then unscrew this, and you will see the keyboard labeled here. Unscrew here, and now flip your laptop over, and here gently you need to pick keyboard off. It's very easy. Take your time. Do not rush. Place the new keyboard. Some dust. Before assembling everything back together, you can check if the new keyboard is working correctly. Put that screw back. Plastic cover for memory. And your battery. And that's how you replace your keyboard. Easy. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.